this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your printer for a scan or print any document from your iMac. Could be iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, doesn't matter, whatever Mac computer you have. In this case you have to go to this Apple logo, hit this one. Here you have system preference. First we'll see where is the printer. So here is the printer. Go inside. You see my printer is already connected. If your printer is not connected, if you want to see how you can connect printer, check my video. I have a video showed how you can connect your brother Samsung other printer to your Wi-Fi. So print, I open a Microsoft Word file here. And I'm gonna click this, for example, any document I write, test printing. Just to show you guys, the printer is already connected, so I hit here, print. You see the brother printer available, everything you can decide, and I'm gonna hit print and I take you there. My printer get the information and it is printing. You see the paper here. Let's see, it was a small test. You can see test printing, that's all. The scanner is as well here, so you can scan. So I put the scanner to work. Put the same paper to scan. Close this one. Let's go to the computer. And I close this file now. Don't save and scan, open scanner, waiting for the scanner here. Let's see, it's fine, show detail. You can listen some noise, scanner is preparing. It's okay. Here you see I have the thing what I scan. You see text printing. So this is the way you can use your iMac to scan anything and print anything from your computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.